Hi, I'm Daedren and welcome to E Prime. Popcorn featured on Megan Thee Stallion's upcoming album. The dancehall superstar's name was revealed on Tuesday when Megan Thee Stallion dropped the track list for her debut full-length studio album, Good News. Megan uploaded the list with the caption, "Through such a rough year, I felt like we could all use a little good news." And good news it was indeed for dancehall. Popcorn's collab Intercourse showed up at number 11 on the track list. Popcorn is the only Jamaican on the album, as Megan has mega collaborations with US mainstream rappers like DaBaby on Crybaby, Young Thug on Don't Stop, to City Girls on Do It on the Tip, along with Big Sean and 2 Chainz on Go Crazy. An elated Popcorn shared his excitement for the release with this simple post: "Killies and Hotties, Megan Thee Stallion first studio album Good News drops tomorrow." Now still on new music, this time coming out of the UK. Contractor Music continues his successful partnership with UK-based producer and artist Lone Star, cousin of Ed Sheeran and huge dancehall content creator. The two will tomorrow release a new dance remix called I'm a Star. The remix features Lone Star along with Ed Sheeran and DaBaby and is co-produced by Jamaican label Contractor Music. The song starts off with a patois-influenced intro, "Make Love Not War," and then goes into R&B hip-hop. Contractor and Lone Star are riding high after a very successful world chart-topping album, Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica in the Summer. Lone Star shared with E Prime on his collab, which he boasts is free of influence from any major label.
Myself and Contractor came together after the success of 2 Billboard albums, Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica 2018 and 2020 The Reggae Edition, featuring Damian Marley, Sean Paul, Edward and Sean Kingston amongst others. To put together a super power remix, we came together 2 of the biggest stars in the world, Ed Sheeran and DaBaby, alongside myself, Lone Star, Contractor and Lox. Collectively, we independently own the masters, and we put out this dance hit for the world to hear ourselves with no restrictions or creative control from major labels. I'm a Star is a sure hit. We choose how, when and what we put out ourselves, and evidence seems to suggest this is the best formula. It just works. It's good business, and we make the songs with amazing producers and engineers, and we work everything from the ground up, from the artwork to the master ourselves.
The original is by US hip-hop artist Lox, Mr. Upstate, who shared with E Prime the feeling of the track.
I got a song called I'm a Star featuring DaBaby I recorded a few years ago, and basically the song just represents everyone feeling like a star inside, just motivating people to love themselves and know that they do have an inner star that shines bright, and just focus on their dreams and bring it into reality. So Contractor Music gave me a wonderful idea, a great idea, to team up with Jethro, Ed Sheeran, and do a collabo and just make it bigger than life. So
I'm a Star. Sure. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.